Hello, my name is Chiara Melloni and I'm the coordinator of the master's degree program in Linguistics, one of the 9 international masters at the University of Verona. In our program, we offer an advanced training in applied and theoretical linguistics, and we prepare graduates to a job market which is always looking for high-level communication and language skills. But if you're more interested in developing an academic career, or in general you have curiosity for scientific research, you could opt for a lab experience, so you could assist us in conducting research on various domains, from bilingualism to atypical language acquisition, and in general second language learning and teaching. Our course is internationalized, which means that all the compulsory modules are taught in English, but other modules are available that are taught and deal with other languages. And internationalization also means inclusion, since this program offers forms of benefits to 6 European and non-European students, basing on their merits. So if you're interested in joining us, please visit our website, look for the call, which is annually published around January, and apply for the master's degree program in linguistics. Looking forward to seeing you here in Verona.
Xintiao, that's how we greet in Vietnamese. So now you can guess that I'm from Vietnam. My name is Tui Tien. I'm in the first year of the Master International Program in Linguistics. I arrived here on the 1st of October and was welcomed with a honeylight sunshine. To be honest, I expected the very first day in the university to be a little bit awkward or distant, but I was proved wrong. Another thing that I really appreciate about the course is the cultural diversity. In the course, we don't only focus on the English language, we also apply the theory to another languages and even our own language. I hope to see you guys on campus.
Namaskar, I am Kuntal Chatterjee. I am a first-generation student doing linguistics at the University of Verona. The reason why I wanted to study linguistics here was because I wanted to explore the interface in between semantics and pragmatics. And if you're somebody who does not know what linguistics is all about, or if you want to study linguistics for your postgraduate degree, I would totally recommend that you go through the curriculum. And additionally, the opportunities that we get to do our internships abroad with Erasmus and collaborations with different faculty members is absolutely incredible. I really want you to be a part of this amazing journey because you are a phenomenal individual and we cannot wait to see you here at Verona.
Привет! My name is Natasha and I'm from Kazakhstan. Currently, I'm in my final year of the International Master's degree in Linguistics. I chose the University of Verona because of its interdisciplinary approach to study this field. My research interest is in psycholinguistics, and I am really happy to be able to use the university lab and the eye tracker for my experimental research design. If you are curious about linguistics and would like to have research experience, the University of Verona and this master's program in linguistics is for you.